How to create an AI support agent for Slack. All right, guys. So the first step is deciding what your AI agent will do. So first, decide the purpose of the AI support agent. The common use cases are customer support, IT help desk, frequently asked assistant, and internal team support. You can also choose an AI platform where you can actually build your AI agent using no code tools or developer platforms. Now, the popular options for this would be Zapier, Make.com, LangChain, and platform.openai.com. You can create your AI assistants on there. Now, you can now go ahead and create a Slack app by going into the Slack developer portal and creating a new Slack app. So, inside the app, you can enable bot tokens, add permissions, and install the app to your workspace. And then once you're done, you can now connect the AI to your Slack so the bot can easily read and reply your messages. This is done with Slack API, webhooks, and automation tools. And then once you're done there, you can now go ahead to train the AI agent by giving your AI support agents knowledge like frequently asked questions, documents, or company policies. Basically, you teach the AI. And then once you're done, you could now simply set up your automated responses by configuring triggers so the bot automatically answers questions or escalates issues. An example of this would be resetting a password and then sends the instructions automatically. And then last but not least, just test the AI agent by sending it questions inside Slack and check how it responds. And then finally, you can introduce the AI to your team. Once everything works properly, just invite the bot into your channels and let your team start using it. All right, guys.